Welcome. Today I'm with JABRA Elite 75D and I will show you how you can activate noise cancelling. So at first you have to go for the JABRA sound application, and of course you have to be connected with your device. Next you have to input both earbuds to the ears, so the left one and the right one. So I'm gonna make it right now, and then we have to go for the activate noise cancellation. Click add personalized ANC and stop that I'm ready. Right here we have to use the slider to find the bass noise option. Click next. The same right here for the slider. Click next one more time. Then click done. Click done again, and as you can see right now the active noise cancellation is enabled as activate, so we can activate it by choosing right here on the application and by tapping on the button on our earbuds. So as you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.